By now, you're probably very familiar with our Scan YouTube videos, showcasing all the latest tech and innovations from the world's best manufacturers of components and peripherals, plus our very own award-winning 3XS systems. Over the years of developing these cutting-edge solutions in the form of PCs and professional workstations, we've also been hard at work establishing business and infrastructure solutions to support these. And last year we created Scan IT, a subdivision of the Scan business portfolio. And now we're following it up with its own Scan IT YouTube channel. And to celebrate that launch, we've got an amazing giveaway that's worth over £2,300. Keep watching to find out more and for details on how to enter for free. Now, Scan IT has been created for our business customers to help them understand the latest trends and technologies impacting organisations today, driving competitive edge and delivering efficiencies within SME, public sector and enterprise, providing a one-stop shop for all your infrastructure needs from office PCs, workstations and servers, storage to networking, services and consultancy. Our team is expert in providing advice and demystifying high-performance data center solutions such as high-performance computing, virtualized GPUs and big data analytics, and we want to share what we know with you. We'll show you how to accelerate digital transformation in your workplace, whether you're self-employed or work in an SMB, a public sector organisation or an enterprise company. Our content focuses on getting the best out of existing technology and understanding how to get the most out of cutting-edge solutions in your everyday business processes to improve productivity, reduce bottlenecks, and most importantly, drive competitive advantage. So why not head on over to the Scan IT channel now and you can see what's already there. Subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos as well. Now, as promised, we've also organised a brilliant giveaway of a Microsoft Surface 4 laptop worth £2,300 thanks to our friends at Intel. This powerful laptop boasts an 11th Gen i7 Intel Core processor, 16GB of DDR4X memory and a terabyte of SSD storage. Plus, it's got an impressive 17-hour battery life and great graphics thanks to an Intel Iris Xe graphics card. This is a super impressive portable workstation with enough power for all your creative needs. Make sure you subscribe to the Scan IT channel and follow the links in the description below to enter the competition. Good luck.